not cylinder one. So what they're doing with these lower hydraulic lifters is they're making adjustments on the cylinder stop. Once you're done with that, they're doing that. At the end of the competition,
Zach, yo! Right here! Both legs! Alright!
Rotate the engine to make sure the ignition timing is correct, and then also check the valve adjustment. The valve adjustment is out, freeform is out, 30 seconds to merit, but that's the finish time. So we need to make sure that the ignition timing is correct, mechanical timing, we set the timing gear is correct, and then all the valve adjustments are correct as well.
Don't slow down, come on, Kevin. Hey, you two push, you. You need me to rotate? Hold on. Tristan, come on. Yeah, we're done. Rotate when you're ready. Rotate. Tristan, it's called before you need to run, right? Step away. What? Coming for 100 inches. All right. Josh, looking, crank it up for 100 inches. One, two. That's the torque. Okay, I'm rotating. Rotate. Good. Rotate and crank. Tristan, Kevin, both 50 into the set. Okay, it's good. Josh, go get oil filter. Hey, oil filter up front. Yeah. Here. Intake. Air filter up front. Next. All right, head inside out. Bring it inside out. Come in. Good. 25 pounds for water pump. One of them, George. Good stuff. Come on. Hey, pump 50% next. Good stuff. Head George. Nice. Let's go. Come on. Donovan, channel, valve cover up front. All right. Yes. Nice.
They're managing 5 of these in a row, 5 floors, 5 engines, 5 teams, judges, and trials. It's pretty awesome sight with all going on at one time all day long for 4 days.
Donovan, you have your extension? Yeah, it's in there. All right, I thought it was I'm good. Got it. Hand down. Come on, Mark, you got it. Come on, Kev. Let me go.
The tools that they're dropping, there's no penalty on that. Earlier in the last one, some people asking.
All those your air filters up front. Kevin, go 50%. Hey!
Some of that happens, but the problem is that if there's another team right there, there's nothing in the rules that says that they can't kick it somewhere. So, he's not there, man. So it is part of the game, too, that something comes over and you're forward. Kind of better. You can kick it, you can do here if you want to. And it's like drag racing, if it's not in the rule book, it's legal.
Come on, Mark. Here we go. Flag's on. Don't do that yet. Don't do that yet. Take off. You got torque. 51.
That, on the other hand, was a penalty.
Just looking here for the red side.
Oh, right there.
You got the also.
Not yet, Don. Not yet. Yeah, the torque still.
Yeah.
That's extreme rare. It's also rare. We don't normally do shows like this. We'll do 3 runs in a day. We'll get about an hour to rest between them.
That's the beat!
One run a day.
Don't you get up the beat down!
Because you can imagine with all the fast they're doing with their hands cramp up. So it's supposed to be 3 runs in a day. But right now they're
3, 4,
done
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13.
Okay, take the speed into the sockets.
Now another second.
14.
15.
Come on, let's go.
17, open time! Go!
Run on this.
1650. 1650. Now, I said earlier on the first run, I know they're not happy with that run, but they're going to have to deal with it. It's okay. 1650 is actually extremely good. I know they've done faster, so they're going to beat themselves up, so I don't have to worry about it. But the reality is, in the competition settings, if you're a high